Hello guys, once again welcome back to Crypto Denzel TV. So guys, today I'll be withdrawing another $2 from alphamining.net. So currently I'm having 73.13 over here. So as you could see from my mission account, I have $2.13 over here. So guys, without much further ado, let me withdraw my balance right now. But before I jump into this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like the video, and also don't forget to comment and share my videos. So guys, let's jump into today's video. Okay, so over here, if I want to withdraw, it's a real quick thing over here. First of all, I'll just need to click on this withdraw button. So if I click on this withdraw button, you can see that I'm currently having a total balance of 20.82, which is equivalent to $2.13 over here. So over here, what I need to do is to just type in the amount that I want to withdraw, which is the 20.18. The 20.18. 20.8. okay, so 20.8 over here. So 20.8, I've typed in that amount. Then I'll just have to type in my password over here. So I'll just type in my password because I'm doing a live video. My face ID is just messing up, so I'll just type in my password real quick. Then all I have to do again is to click on this show button over here. I'll just click on this show option over here. So I click on it and it says withdrawal successful, guys. Withdrawal successful. So once it says withdrawal successful, what is left for me to do is to wait for my withdrawal to reflect into my Binance account over here. So guys, this is my Binance account. As you could see over here in my spot wallet, let me show you my spot wallet. So currently in my spot wallet, I'm having the network is very bad. Okay, so currently in my spot wallet, I have $20.32 over here. $20.32 over here. So guys, whilst waiting for my TRX to reflect in my account, okay guys, so let's wait small. So guys, over here, let me show you how you basically do everything over here. So whilst waiting for my withdrawal to appear in my Binance account, let me show you guys how to make a deposit and how to withdraw on this platform. So guys, over here we have two forms of investment over here. So first of all, we have the mining one. So boom guys, 19.96. So guys, my deposit is in right now over here. So as you can see, my deposit is in my account successfully. Okay guys, so as you could see over here, we have two forms of income over here. The first one is the cycle one and the second one is the mining. So as you could see over here, we have the mining and we have the strategy. So if you click on the mining, for that one, it's a long-term investment. It's a long-term investment on mining where you buy a machine and it will be mining for you for a particular number of days. So for me, I deposited $71 in my account. So as you can see, Binance have given me an email which says your deposit of 19.96 is successfully over here. So guys, I've received my amounts successfully in my Binance account. So guys, over here you can choose to invest in the mining or you can choose to invest in the cycle. So with this cycle, the project one is just 2% each day for 7 days, and the minimum for it to start is just $30. And after $30 and after 7 days, you'll be getting $34.2. And we have the project 2 also, which is 3%, and the minimum is $150. After 14 days, you'll be getting $213 for investing $150 after 14 days. So guys, it goes on and on and on. And we have the long one, which is the mining. So for the mining, depending on what you want to mine, on the amount that you want to mine. So for me, I deposited $71 and currently I'm earning $2.13 each and every day. I'm earning $2, guys. I'm earning $2. And as you can see from here, I also have team members. That my team is up to 15 subordinates over here, and they've made some deposit over here, and I've made some profit from them also. So guys, Also, you can just refer your friend by just clicking on the me option over here. Then you copy your referral link like this, successful. Then you share with your friends on your WhatsApp, on your Snapchat, everywhere that you can share. You share it so that other people can also jump onto this platform. So guys, also over here, if you want to withdraw or if you want to deposit, you just click on this recharge to deposit. So when you click on this recharge, you copy this Theta TRC20 wallet address over here. Make sure that you deposit only TRX or USDT in this address, else your funds will be lost. And the minimum for the deposit is 1 USDT and 10 TRX. $1, it's either you send 1 USDT or you send 10 TRX. Any amount less than this will not be processed. So guys, take note. So for you to withdraw also, it's just a real quick thing over here. You just click on the withdrawal button over here. Once you click on it, you just type in the amount that you want to withdraw. You paste your withdrawal wallet address over here. Then you type in your withdrawal password. Then you initiate the withdrawal. As simple as that, your withdrawal will be credited to your account. So guys, once again, that's how you basically make money over here. And for the registration, kindly go and watch my previous videos. I've made some videos on this particular mining platform, so kindly go and check so that you will watch how to register a new account. And also, I will leave a referral link in this description box below, so kindly click on it so that you could be able to sign up with your email, just your email. Then you will be good to go and you will be making money for yourself. So guys, remember to share this video so that others could also join. Remember, this is a long-term platform. Currently, I've used this mining for about 14 days now, and I've made like $50+ over here. So if I click on the me option over here, and if I click on this financial records over here, you could see that if I click on this commission account over here, you could see that I've made numerous withdrawals. So guys, you could see the time I started over here, so you could see that I've been withdrawing all this cash, all this guys, I've been withdrawing all this cash over here, and I've made over $50 from this platform. So guys, what are you waiting for? Just join this platform. Let's make money together online. So guys, once again, thank you for watching Crypto Denzel TV. So let me confirm my withdrawal over here. So guys, let me refresh. So whilst waiting for my refreshing, okay, so let me refresh once more. Okay, so guys, my withdrawal is in. So boom, $22.34 US over here. So guys, don't waste time. You need to jump onto this platform. Let us all make money. Thank you once again. Bye.